All right, guys, how are we? So we're just doing a quick video live basically on automations. So automations make your life easier, quicker, faster. Um, Now, in the realm that we're in at the minute, we have a bit of time at home, but we need to be getting as much work done as possible. And some of the things I'm going to show you today, or I'm going to explain to you today, are some of the top three automations that I'm using at the minute. Now, it's really easy to not go forwards and use these automations. Really easy just to think these are things that are nice to have. But to be honest, these are must haves, because if you use these automations, these apps that I'm going to tell you about, they're going to help you make your business run a lot smoother, a lot quicker, and you're going to look a lot more professional. So these are my favorites. So let's start with first one is Zapier. Okay, if you are not using Zapier, I don't know where you've been for the last couple of years. Zapier has been amazing, absolutely changed the way I've done things. Everything with Zapier is automated. It's awesome. Okay, so basically what you've got is you have these zaps. You have whatever different types of systems you've got, so different types of programs that you use. For instance, say Google Sheets, and you might use, say, Zoom. So this is a perfect example. What I'm doing at the minute is I have my Zoom workout that I do with my clients. Automatically, Zap, as soon as it's finished, the link for the replay will get zapped to Google Sheets, and Google Sheets that I've opened up and given to my members to say, if you want to go into and check out the workout that we just did, you can do that by clicking onto our Google Doc, and then it's dated and it says what workout it is and the link. So I don't have to do that. I don't have to copy and paste it and open up a thing and send it to everyone. Zapier does it for me. Okay, another thing would be, I have a new member that starts, they'll get emails, automatic emails. Well, how does that work? Okay, so emails, I will put the details in, or an inquiry may come to me. Once the inquiry comes through, say through my lead form, it goes to Zapier. Zapier then sends it to ActiveCampaign, which we're going to get through in a minute. ActiveCampaign then sends them all these details. I might also want to send them a text message at the same time. Now, if they're on the lead form, they have the phone number in there. What will happen is Zapier will then take their phone number, send it to ClickSend, which is one of the platforms that I use to send text messages, and it'll have an automatic email that I've set up there that will send them a text. So, for instance, you can have an inquiry that comes in. They will automatically get a text, get an email, and you don't have to do anything. You don't have to lift a finger. Okay, so this is why Zapier is so important. It literally automates everything for you, and it talks from one program to another program. So if you've got two different types of software, it will talk to each other, and it works with so many different things. It's unbelievable. So there's literally, just test it. There's so many different things. I use it for ClickSend, ClickFunnels. What else do I use it for? Zoom. I use it for StreamYard. Just everything. It's so good. The next one is ActiveCampaign. So your CRM system, your basically your system to gather all your information of clients or leads, and then you can send email campaigns or you can sell automations to them. Now, I know if you've got a CRM system, like a, say, Zenplan and MindBody, this is all integrated. Personally, ActiveCampaign can do it all, and it's really, really easy, and it's really, really customizable. That's probably the best word for it. So you can customize all sorts of things. So for instance, wait one day. If they don't open this email, you can get them to open. You can get them to send another email to say, I've noticed you're not open this email. It's very important. Get them to open that one. So with ActiveCampaign, you basically can set up so many different chains of automations. You can send text messages from there, and if you use Zapier, like I talked about before, you can say, okay, once someone gets to week 4, we send them a text message. Once someone gets, you can even go down the route of once someone gets to, say, a month at your gym or a month as a client, you send them a postcard. Okay, you can send a postcard with ClickSend, so you can get Zapier, ActiveCampaign to send a zap to ClickSend and send that. So you can see how your customer service levels can get taken up. Well, I'm just touching the surface now. These are some of the things that I've been meaning to work on, and some of the things that I'm going to be working on more and more over the next sort of couple of weeks, months, to make our customer service and our professionalism next level. The next one and final one, like I try and keep these short and sweet. The final one is Otter. Okay, Otter.ai. Now, Otter is like a hidden secret. If you're not using Otter, like this is just changes the way I do things, and changes especially content, the way I'm producing content now. So for instance, this video here, as we're doing it now, I will then make this video, this live, into a blog post. I will also make this into a Facebook post, Instagram post. How do I do that? Basically, using StreamYard that I'm using now, I'm recording it. Once I finish recording it, I'll download the audio file, and then in Otter will then upload the link of the audio file. Otter will then transcribe it for me. It'll also have captions. It'll also it can do it as a caption SRT file, which will then caption the whole of this for me. If I wanted to do it on my phone, I'll just do this quickly in front of you so you can see how easy it is. I've got the Otter app. So this is the Otter app there. You can see it in there. I click the app and there we go, app's loading. Okay, if I wanted to do this automatically, I could just go, okay, I'm actually just going to record now. So it's starting to record. And as you can see, everything I'm putting on, let's see if I can get it into, there we go. Everything I'm saying now is getting automatically transcribed into Otter. So you can see that, I'm not sure what's the best, but you can see how it's all getting transcribed for me, which means at the end of this live, I can literally just click end. It will then transcribe it for me. And if I want to set that up as an SRT file, a text file, a PDF, whatever you want, I can use that and then use it to repurpose content, use it to repurpose into social media, to clients, to members, into emails. There's just so many ways you can use it. So there we have it, guys. My top 3. Zapier zaps everything together, brings everything together, and makes everything so much easier. Gets all the different platforms to talk to each other. ActiveCampaign uses that is your CRM, your automations. You can do deals in there. There's so many different things you can do. It's a great platform. I know a lot of people use MailChimp, and personally, I'm not a big fan of MailChimp. ActiveCampaign has always worked a lot better for me. And then Otter. Otter changed my life. I'm not great at typing, but I'm great at talking. Maybe talking a bit of shit, but I'm great at talking. So as you can see, I can just talk into the camera, talk into my phone, and I can make a blog post. I make blog posts, or ebooks. I have made ebooks while I've been walking the dogs, because I've literally been talking into my phone, transcribing it, going home, editing it quickly, putting it into a document, making a PDF, and boom, you've made it. So it's so easy. So if you haven't, you just tuned in, I know someone's just tuned in now, Zapier, ActiveCampaign, and Otter, top 3 automations that systems that I use now, that's literally changed my life, made things so much easier. If you're not using them, well, you should be, because it will change yours too. Right, guys, that's me done for today. We're going to talk on Thursday about building an online business and whether you should actually be bothering to do that. I know COVID, but we're going to be out of COVID soon, or out of lockdown for level 4. Then we're going to level 3, hopefully out of that soon enough after that. So are you going to put all your eggs into one basket, spend all this time now, or should you be working on your business? We'll talk about that on Thursday, and I'll speak to you then.